Did you know that your metabolism plays a key role in how your body manages weight and energy? Boosting your metabolism could be the secret weapon you've been looking for to achieve your weight loss goals. Today, we're diving into some unique and delicious smoothie recipes that not only taste great but can also help rev up your metabolism and keep it running at full speed. Hey there, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more healthy recipes and tips on how to lose weight and live a vibrant life. Now, let's talk about metabolism. Simply put, it's the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. A faster metabolism means your body burns calories more efficiently, which can be a huge advantage for weight management. But did you know that what you eat can directly influence your metabolic rate? Certain foods and nutrients can give your metabolism a natural boost, making it easier to lose weight and stay energized. That's where smoothies come in. They're not just convenient and tasty, they can be packed with ingredients known to give your metabolism that extra kick. In today's video, we're sharing some amazing smoothie recipes with ingredients scientifically shown to support metabolism. We'll break down the benefits of each ingredient, show you how to make a smoothie step by step, and explain how these unique combinations can help you on your journey to a healthier you. So, let's get blending. Recipe 1, Green Metabolism Booster. Our first smoothie is the Green Metabolism Booster. It's packed with metabolism-friendly ingredients, starting with spinach, a low-calorie nutrient-dense green that's rich in iron and fiber. Spinach helps support muscle function, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolic rate. Next up, we have green tea. Studies have shown that green tea can increase fat oxidation and boost metabolic rate by up to 4%. Its antioxidants, known as catechins, are believed to be the driving force behind these benefits. Avocado brings a creamy texture while delivering healthy fats that help keep you full and satisfied. Plus, the fats can help your body absorb fat-soluble nutrients more effectively. Ginger is a fantastic metabolism booster because it stimulates digestion and may even increase calorie burn after meals. Pineapple adds natural sweetness and contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces bloating. And there you have it, a delicious green metabolism booster that's sure to keep you feeling refreshed and energized. Let's move on to the next one. Rapid-fire smoothie recipes. Now that we've kickstarted your metabolism with that green smoothie, let's dive into some more unique combinations in a rapid-fire format. Remember, you can customize these recipes to fit your taste or dietary needs. Recipe 2, Berry Blast Metabolic Smoothie. Ingredients: blueberries, raspberries, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, almond milk. Benefits: berries are loaded with fiber and antioxidants, which help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Greek yogurt adds a protein punch, keeping you full longer and supporting muscle health. Chia seeds provide omega-3s and fiber, which are known to improve metabolic health. Recipe 3, Spicy Citrus Kick. Ingredients: grapefruit, orange, cayenne pepper, honey, coconut water. Benefits: grapefruit is famous for its fat-burning properties, while cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, a compound that can increase calorie burning. Coconut water helps keep you hydrated, which is essential for a high-functioning metabolism. Recipe 4, Chocolate Banana Power-Up. Ingredients: banana, cacao powder, peanut butter, flax seeds, oat milk. Benefits: cacao is a natural mood booster that can help reduce cravings. Flax seeds are rich in fiber and can improve digestive health, while bananas provide a healthy dose of potassium, which helps maintain fluid balance in the body. Tips for customizing your smoothies. The great thing about these smoothies is that they're versatile. Here are some tips to make them suit your taste and dietary preferences. 1. For added protein, include a scoop of protein powder, especially if you're looking to build muscle and support your metabolism. 2. For a vegan option, swap out Greek yogurt for a plant-based alternative like coconut or almond yogurt. 3. For a lower carb option, use water or unsweetened nut milk as a base instead of fruit juice. 4. To make it sweeter, add a dash of honey or a few dates, but be mindful of portion sizes. To recap, incorporating these smoothies into your daily routine can be a delicious way to boost your metabolism, support weight loss, and stay energized throughout the day. The key is to use nutrient-dense ingredients that not only taste good but also provide your body with what it needs to keep your metabolic rate high. Remember, the best way to see results is by combining these smoothies with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Try out these recipes at home, see how your body responds, and don't be afraid to experiment with your favorite ingredients. If you found these tips helpful and want more content on how to lose weight, boost your metabolism, or learn how to make a smoothie that fits your health goals, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Also, share your favorite smoothie ideas in the comments below. We'd love to see what you come up with. Subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips.